Hello and welcome to the third lesson. Okay, so now we are going to use the putty. As I told you that we're gonna need software SSH terminal to work on the install the xtream UI. Okay, so I hope that you already download putty. I already downloaded, so we need to go to the server. We need our IP address and username and a password. So if we go to putty, this is the terminal. So we write down the IP address, that it's 62.210.141.38, and click open. For sometimes at the beginning there is a warning, click OK and yes and OK. So our username is my username is Omer, and my password please notice that when you insert your password you won't see it here, but just when you finish insert the password it doesn't show in putty. Just click enter. Okay, great. Now we need to go to install the program, the software, the open source software xtream UI, we need to be as a root user or administrator. Now as you can see right now the user is Omer, so what I need to do to change it to root is by sudo UI, sudo, as it's written here in the page that you saw, sudo space -i, and it will ask for my password, for Omer password, so I'm inserting it, click enter, and you can see it's been changed to root. So now I can install. So let's go. You need to copy. It's with the putty, it's like inserting codes. Okay, so we'll make a copy, we'll insert it here. How to paste in putty is right click in the mouse to click in the right click, so you can see, and then click enter. Okay, xtream UI installer mirror. Here at the bottom there is a line, installation type main, LB or update. It's our first time install, so it's need to be main. It's no matter if it's caps lock or not. Click main and start installation, so we type Y, that it's for yes, and preparing and installing. Installing all the information by itself from mirror installation, because it is open source software, so it's not a problem. Okay, here it will ask you to enter MySQL. Let's click random, actually, like A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, because it's not so matter now. and because as you see the other line is drop existing and create database. So we're gonna create a new database that we're gonna have password later. So yes, now it's configuring and modifying and installing, downloading all the database, the software updates, and of course starting the xtream codes. Okay, you see, that's it, it's finished. You can see here you need to copy this. Please store your MySQL password, you need to copy it, and the admin UI, you have it here, 62.210.141.38 at port 25500. I will teach you also later how to that you can change this port, and also you can, instead of the numbers, the IP numbers, you can have a domain name like my IP something something, and the password and the user is admin. Okay, so we just need to copy this, Control C, and go to the desktop. I already opened a notepad and click here and save, because we're gonna need it later, maybe if you wanna enter to your database. Okay, just one additional thing. Of course, it's when we finish the installation, you can go directly to your panel. So if we go here and we go somewhere here and we click Control V, here is it. So as I said, the username is admin. Of course you can change it later, and the password is admin, and here's the software and everything is okay, everything is good. And of course it is, one second, it is xtream UI R22F early access. Okay, bye for now.